Hello YouTube, I'm going to do a quick experiment with the new LED headlamps I bought from Amazon that I'm really not too impressed with. As far as the first glance is only really, they look nice and everything like that, but I didn't realize that they're really poorly, how do you say it, represented, I guess. And so anyway, before the sun gets up too quick, I'm going to quick take a video of my old headlamps. And here's bright, here's dim. Not very impressive, the old H6054s. Now I'm going to back up and park in the same place with the new headlamps here pretty soon. So just bear with me. Thanks for watching. It's starting to turn a little lighter now. Probably not a very good, how do you say it, indication, but these are low beams and they seem different. I guess I'll have to look at the, and then the high beams. Not really much difference there. They just seem to put a little bit higher beam out there. They seem kind of level, flat, but I'm going to take a little trip down the road here. I know I'm pointing my nose down a little bit here, so that's probably not a good deal either. So I'm going to go down the road here in a little bit, see what happens. Done this with the other lights, but you know, so far they seem pretty bright on low beam, a lot brighter. I don't know what people are gonna say when they meet me. Probably not gonna be very happy, but the high beam, low beam. Stop here for a second, shut my wipers off. Low beam, high beam. High beams kind of stink, I think. Unless I have these things, well, unless I have these things in upside down or something, but I'm going with the writing. There's no instructions whatsoever with these, so. And then very, very poor English. I don't know why they just don't hire somebody with English major or something like that and have them. I think I could have my 8-year-old grandson write that much better than what it came out. But I'll show that again. I guess you can hit the pause button too if you wish. Snowplow is going by up there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. Turn my wipers back on. Yeah, we're supposed to be having a snowstorm. This isn't much of a snowstorm. The news media, I think, wants to blow weather up to be so bad. And I tell you what, I'm 60 years old. I have lived in Minnesota pretty much all my life. The only other place I lived was in Iowa, central Iowa. And I have been through worse snowstorms than we have had the last few years. And I swear, news media thinks, plays these things out to be like the last days on earth. Well, I respect weather, I do, but anyway, yeah, I'll have to say the low beams are great. High beams are a joke. You know, I know it's light out and stuff, and it's getting that way, but yeah, there is a little bit. I guess it is going out a ways. I guess I should really try this when it's completely dark out. I thought I was going to be able to switch it out really quick, but that did not work out because the screws on the ring were really rusty, and I didn't want to strip the screw heads out, so I really took my time, put a lot of pressure on it, and we're able to get all 4 of the top ones out. I'll take the scenic route back home here. As you can see, we've had a horrible snowstorm here. I can actually drive anywhere in my yard. And that's pretty much an impossibility. So I'll string these videos together into one and see what you think. I guess I'd buy them. I'm not that impressed with the high beams. They're on high beam now, I guess. I guess they do kind of light up the house. Let me get up to the house closer. Or actually, if I get up to the garage door. I'll point up to the house here. And I got, yeah, I'll drive it to where it's, yeah, somewhat level here. Hard to tell. High beams. Low beams. High beams. Low beams. Yeah, I guess there is a little difference. And, you know, another thing too, I could probably see if I can do some adjusting on these two, so. Low beam. High beam. No beam. I am assuming I won't get picked up and thrown in jail, says DOT SAE. Or will I? It's made in China. And it is a 5x7 LED headlight black.
If you're liking these videos, please subscribe to my grandpa's channel. Hit the subscribe button right here. I think it's here. Oh well, thank you.